Hello everybody, this is Nora and I'm coming really quick to tell you about my newest collection that I purchased from Modelone on Amazon. And this collection comes with its own base coat, two top coats, and colors. Yes, so there's a cat eye and a topper, a galaxy topper. And because it is a cat eye, it did include a magnet, and a very good one too. So there you saw me apply the base, which it cured in 30 seconds under my LED lamp. Now I'm going to apply the black polish here, and this one it went opaque with two coats. It's a very good black polish, and you can see it stays in place. It doesn't run to your cuticles at all. So yes, this makes a very good kit, a complete kit if you're starting with gels, if you're into blacks and cat eyes, because it comes with its own base coat and top coat. And like I said, the black also cured it. And keep in mind, dark colors do take longer to cure. However, this one did really well, 30 seconds under my LED lamp. Now here's the Galaxy top coat, or it's a topper. It goes super cool over. You check out those flakies, multicolored flakies and glitters. Super cool over the black. Over lighter colors, it's not as noticeable, but I love it over black. I finished it with a glossy top coat, and here's that cat eye. Oh, it's so cool. And that cat eye, guys, it shifts from the green to blue to purple. You'll see, I'll have some clips of those that I managed to capture with my camera and going outside as well. And with the magnet, I went with the straight bar here, the rectangular magnet, which it just makes this straight line, and you'll see what that looks like. There it is, super cool. Yes, and I did do a flash, I flash cured it before going on to the next nail. So on the next nail, I did the cat eye again, this time with the round magnet, and check it out. It's like you're inside that galaxy. It's so cool to play with these. Very, very effective. And yes, I do love how it changes colors. Then I cured the cat eye, and then I moved on to testing out this matte top coat. It was so cool. It was my first time using that type of matte top coat. It came out matte. There you see it, straight out of the lamp. No tacky layer or anything. And then I finished the other three nails with the glossy top coat. It is also a wipe free or a no wipe top coat. So none of these require having to clean them up after taking them out of the lamp when they're cured. So yes, and so guys, if you have any questions about these, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer them. These products I purchased them from Amazon, and I want to take the opportunity to tell you on this video that I signed up for an influencer account on Amazon, meaning I do have a list there where I have isolated the items, anything nail related that I have personally tested on my own and be able to review and answer questions about. Yes, I do earn some from you purchasing those items from that list. If you go directly from that list or click on the item on that list and end up purchasing it, it does not affect your price whatsoever. So I wanted to let you know about that. And if I've come across any special codes, discount codes for any of those products, check out the comments on those items because I will have the codes listed under comments. And here's a screenshot of what that list looks like. Again, I will be isolating the items that I get to review and test on my own. That way I can answer your questions. And this way, hopefully we can all help each other out. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.